Hi everybody. Well, I am taking a break from the homestead and headed up to my son's, and using Google Maps and stuff and how I was going to go, and I varied from where they were, because I'm just taking 191 rather than jogging around, do different things. And I stumbled on this place. This is one of the, if not the biggest, open pit copper mine in the world. And when it came up through town, I was wondering what kind of mining it was, because from the other side, they're down in the valley. I had to climb to get up this high. But you can see they've just been carving away at it and carving away at it. And here comes some the big hauling trucks. They come around here, end up crossing over somewhere and going down that way. There goes one right now. And to get an idea, I think what I'm standing on is their display area, is a bed of an old one. I think the ones they got now are bigger, but I don't know if you can see it, but over there, that little colors like red and yellow and stuff, I'm not sure, but that might be a train. Because I've seen they use trains to haul some of the stuff around, but most of it is in these big ass trucks. I mean, you see them on TV. You don't really get an idea just how big these things are, and you see pictures, but there's a tire off of one, and the motor off of one. Now here's a, let's see, what, 2, 4, 6, 8, what is that, 16-cylinder diesel? But yep, 16-cylinder diesel. Gets rebuilt 5 times. The whole truck weighs 16,499 pounds. I'm sorry, that's how much the engine weighs. 2,000 horsepower and 60 gallons of oil and 150 gallons of coolant. So the tire here, this thing, I mean, I just barely come up to near the center. These things are 11 feet in diameter and 42 inches wide. They weigh 8,625 pounds, and 1,100 pounds of that are the steel belts. So pretty impressive. Just a real quick video stopping this. This mine, they actually produced the first copper ingot in 1873, and it's been going ever since. So it's just an interesting little stop along the way. I did see some bighorn sheep actually in the town at the bottom as I was coming in. Just no place to pull over. Now they were just wandering into town, cruising through. So who knows, maybe I'll see some. But I am going to get back on the road. I still got about 5 hours to go. So see you later. Stay safe, my friends. Bye. So sometimes taking the scenic route means going slow down these Forest Service roads. I mean, this is a state highway, but I'm driving along with no guardrails, cliffs, switchbacks, doing 25 miles an hour, which is the speed limit along here. Saw a deer that popped up next to the road. Luckily did not decide to cross the road, but you know, like I said, this is then I get the switchbacks like this, 10 miles an hour, and they're not kidding. They're not kidding. Apache National Forest, that's where I am. See, now the cliff is on my side. So no guardrail, but a little berm right there. I don't expect the guardrail up here, as long as the road stays. I just thought I'd give you a taste of you come up 191. I'm glad I'm driving the truck and I'm not driving the bus. Driving the bus up here, I'd still be slogging along on the bottom, way down, because this is a gentle slope compared to some of the spots. All right, I go back to driving with two hands. So that long, torturous climb in through the Apache National Forest or Park or whatever, I get this view from up at the top. I'm gonna say, yeah, it's worth it. At least I didn't climb up into the snow like whatever mountain that is over there. But it still makes for an interesting drive. Now I think I'm headed down the other side, so better pay attention.